Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Anytype and Notion. Anytype is a new productivity tool that aims to offer a unified and highly customizable workspace for users. It allows users to work offline and data syncs when the user is back online. The tool emphasizes data privacy and ownership, ensuring that user data is encrypted and stored locally. Anytype is open source, allowing developers to contribute. The high level of customization allows users to tailor the workspace. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that combines note-taking, task management, and collaboration into a single platform. Users can choose from a wide range of pre-built templates or create their own to suit their specific needs. Notion integrates notes, tasks, databases, calendars, and more into one app. The ability to customize pages and databases is highly valued. Choosing between Anytype and Notion depends on your specific needs and priorities. If privacy and offline use are critical, Anytype may be the better choice. If collaboration and a more polished user experience are key, Notion is likely the better option. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.